Hey Perry, is all manufactured hair color the same?
Who wants to know?
Everyone?
Everyone wants to know.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, so is all hair color the same?
Yes.
All manufactured. Well, let's put it this way. Yes, in that, all brown, as an example, is made from paraphenylene diamine. It's basically what it is. It's discovered like 150 years ago. It is what makes brown. And then from there, concentration greater or less than creates the depth of it, okay? The actual color, is it red, is it gold, is it, are you putting some purple in it, whatever.
Sure.
Those are couplers, and there are several of them. And they basically are going to make the color different tonal values. And so that's what changes it. But in terms of like the brown part, yes, it's all, pretty much every single manufacturer of color is using paraphenylene diamine to make the brown. So that means that to some degree, every single color line can be mixed and can be played with. I would not recommend trying that at home. That's when you would start getting into, because it'd be really easy to make the color, in fact, you'd be prone to making your hair color flat and gross because you mix too much, you mix too many couplers and you mix too much diodes. So,
right.
Yes.